Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to reverse a string without using recursion. So let's start this with the program. Here in the first line, this line defines a function named reverse string that takes one parameter s. S is expected to be a string that you want to reverse. Now moving on to the next line here. This uses Python's slicing feature to reverse the string. Here, this creates a new string by transversing s from end to start. The syntax s, start, stop and end is used for transforming from end to start. Here, start is omitted, so it defaults to the beginning of the string. Stop is omitted, so it defaults to the end of the string, and step is -1, which means it moves from right to left, effectively reversing the string, and the reversed string is returned as the output of the function. Now here in the next line, this line prompts the user to input a string using input function, and the text enter a string is displayed to the user as prompt. Here, the user's input is captured as a string and stored in the variable input string. Now in the next line, the reverse string function is called with input string as the argument, and the function processes the input string by reversing it. Here, using slicing as explained. Now the reversed string is stored in the variable reversed string. Now in the last line here, this prints the result to the console. Here reversed string is a static message that is displayed before the output, and the reversed string contains the reversed version of the user's input string and is displayed after the message. So let's check this program. Hence I'll enter a string as, so the string is reversed using no recursion. So thanks for watching this video.